In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your YouTube video view count. Now, a good reason to do this is because, of course, the more views your video gets, the higher it climbs in the ratings. So it's a good idea to start getting views to your site as soon as you can. Now, there are several ways to do this. However, I'm going to show you the easiest way. What you want to do is go to a site called Vagex. It's vagex.com. Okay, and then you need to sign up for an account here. So I'm going to sign up for a new account here. That was really easy. Username, email address, and a password. You're going to need to agree to the terms of service, and it's a good idea to click here and read those terms of service. Okay, and then it sends a activation link, so you're going to have to click on that. Okay, so after you click the link, you see this. You're going to have to key in the code here and then sign in. Okay, and then when you log in, you come to this screen. Now, just for signing up, you're going to get 50 credits here. Okay, now you'll see that it has a little quick guide here. So, and then click the arrow to add your video. Now, here you can put in the keyword you want. Okay, here you want the URL to your video. It's in this format, youtube.com/watch, and then some characters after it. Now, I need to be careful here because there are different formats for YouTube videos. For instance, if you click on share here, you'll see that this has a u2.be. That's not what you want. What you want to do is take the URL out of the browser bar at the very top. So copy it from your browser bar and then just paste that in here. Okay, and you'll see that that's in the right format if you do that. Okay, view for 30 seconds per credit here. You can upgrade if you want to change that. Now, you can pick any of these. These cost you so many credits. 1 credit if you want to receive likes, receive subscribers, 1 credit, receive favorites, 1 credit, receive comments, 5 credits. Okay, and then over on this side you have the maximum number of these you want to put in there. Okay, and you can allocate your credits to your different videos. So you can add more videos and you can set the allocation or use automatic allocation. Okay, now down here, whether your ads are disabled, if you have the partner status with YouTube and you've turned on advertising, then you need to turn it off for the video you want to put in here. So you need to check this. If you do have it turned on, you need to go turn it off for that particular video and then check this. If you don't do it, you could get your AdSense account banned. Okay, so you can log in and you'll see monetize my video here. If you have this monetized, all you have to do is uncheck it here and save it, and it'll turn the monetization off. Okay, so back to here, and we add our site or our video. Okay, and then you can add more if you want from here. Shows you the videos you have down here and whether it's enabled, and you can edit it from down here. Okay, and then you can go to the next step in the quick guide here. Okay, and then there is a viewer you can download. This is how you earn credits, just by running the viewer, and you have to put this user code inside the viewer. Okay, I already have this installed, so I'm not going to do this part. Okay, and then the next step, and this is optional, but you can tweet it and put it and like it on Facebook and refer friends. Okay, when you refer, you get some more credits as well. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. You just run the viewer and you earn credits, and those credits are used to advertise your own video. So you'll get views and likes and so on, whatever you chose at the front end here when you set up your video. You go to edit. These. So whatever you checked here, you'll be able to spend your credits on these to get more views to your video. Okay, so that's how you can get fast views to your YouTube videos.